Hello and welcome to the Foundations of Social Media Marketing. My name is Rasha and I'll be guiding you through this first chapter. Today we'll explore the basics of social media marketing, its importance, and how it has transformed the way businesses operate. Before we get into it, I'd like to tell you a bit about myself. I've been with Social Awaken for about 4 years now. After managing a variety of clients, I've had the opportunity to work closely with some of the leading franchise businesses in the food industry. From ground-level insights to high-level strategies, I've learned every aspect of social media marketing. I lead by example, working closely with my amazing team to create engaging content that drives results. My passion for social media and content creation has been recognized, and I am now the social media lead at Social Awaken. I love what I do, and I'm excited to keep pushing boundaries in the world of social media marketing. This chapter is for people who want to brush up on their knowledge of each platform or for those starting completely from scratch. If you are advanced, you can skip this chapter, even though I really don't want you to. In fact, let me tell you about a client that we worked with that perfectly illustrates why understanding the basics of social media marketing is so crucial. It was a family-owned restaurant with about 5 locations. They'd been around for over a decade and they were pretty successful locally, but online, not so much. They came to us thinking they just needed a few more followers or some nice-looking posts to boost their social media presence. They had a Facebook page, posted a few food pictures here and there, and thought that was enough. But as we quickly realized, they didn't even have the basics in place. For starters, they had no strategy. They were posting randomly. Sometimes they'd go weeks without anything, and then suddenly dump a bunch of content with no clear messaging. And even though they had decent content, it wasn't getting any engagement because it wasn't targeted or consistent. The owner didn't understand why this was a problem. After all, they were posting, right? Then there was the issue of platforms. They were putting all their efforts into Facebook, completely unaware that their key audience, mainly the younger generation, were hanging around on Instagram and TikTok. We tried explaining that Instagram is all about visual storytelling, and TikTok thrives on quick, entertaining videos. But since they hadn't grasped the basics of platform usage, they didn't see the value at first. And here's where the lack of basic knowledge really hit us. They didn't even know how to measure success. They thought likes were the only metrics that mattered. When we started talking about reach, engagement, impressions, they had no idea what this even meant. It was clear that we had to teach them these foundational elements from scratch. Now, what's really important here is their lack of understanding of the basics wasn't just a small inconvenience. It was actually preventing them from growing their business online. They couldn't see the connection between consistent content, the right platform, and real-world results like foot traffic or sales. We had to go back to square one, and that's when things started to shift. Once we introduced them to some foundational tools like a content calendar, they began to see the value of consistent posting. They started to realize that social media wasn't just about showing up. It was about showing up strategically. As we taught them the basics of social media metrics, they started tracking the right things. We showed them how engagement, reach, and impressions directly impacted their brand awareness. And that's when they finally understood how powerful social media could be. Fast forward a few months and their social media presence had completely transformed. Not only were they reaching more people, but they were also driving real results. More foot traffic, more customer engagement, and most importantly, more sales. The light bulb moment for them was realizing that without mastering the basics, they were spinning their wheels. So the lesson here is this. While social media marketing might seem like something we all know how to do, without a solid grasp of the basics, it's almost impossible to see real results. This chapter might seem like it's just covering the basics, but believe me, these foundations are everything. They're the building blocks of long-term success. And if you don't master them, you're likely to miss out on huge opportunities. Throughout this course, we will be giving you real-life information of what has worked. This is priceless information. Guys, our clients and ourselves have spent millions to figure out what works and what doesn't work. It's actually millions, no joke. So let's get into it. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and many others to connect with your audience, build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. It includes publishing great content on your profiles, listening to and engaging with your followers, analyzing your results, and running social media advertisements. Over the past decade, the landscape of marketing has changed dramatically. Traditional advertising methods are no longer as effective. Consumers now turn to social media for recommendations, reviews, and to connect with businesses on a personal level. This shift makes social media marketing indispensable for businesses of all sizes. As of 2024, there are over 4.7 billion social media users worldwide. Platforms like TikTok have over 1 billion active users. Facebook has over 3 billion active users, and LinkedIn has over 875 million members, offering an unprecedented reach and engagement opportunities. To sum up, social media marketing is essential because it allows you to reach a vast audience, engage with customers in real time, and create a loyal community around your brand. Now let's dive deeper into the unique features and best practices for each major social media platform. I hope you all enjoyed our first video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.